So why did you name him Woodward?
Don't you like it? It's more formal than Woody.
He totally keeps looking at us.
222.